Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another 716 we have on the ground. This is a 2018 7x16 cargo craft trailer. We love our cargo craft trailers. They're great trailers. They offer a lot of features for the money. This one is a triple tube tongue on this unit, so it's going to tow really well with having that another piece of tongue right there on the frame. You also have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom and up the V-nose, so you've got that double rock protection there. Side door does come with a nice big overhead gutter. You also have a cam bar as well as an RV lock. The RV lock gives you this piece right here, which in turn on the inside gives you this piece that includes a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. So nice feature there. Two 3,500-pound axles with brakes on all fours. You do have a polished aluminum fender. You also have side vents underneath this unit, which is nice for extra ventilation, as well as stabilizer jacks underneath. Get you guys a good shot of that. Rear ramp door is super easy to open and close with that spring assist on it. You also have another feature I love Cargo Craft does is this polished aluminum wrap around the rear door jamb. It's a great safety feature, especially at night when cars are behind you. That really illuminates from behind right there. So it's a great feature again. LED strip taillights. You also have an overhead gutter. Cargo Craft has painted interior floors, which is really nice. It makes it sealed up and nice and clean inside. This one is a 6'6" interior height. You also have your two side vents, so there's one there and one up in that top corner, which is going to give you guys a natural cross ventilation through the trailer. And then you also have an interior light right there located next to the side door, so you can come in and easily access your light. So another nice feature there. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, we would love to earn your business. Give us a call anytime, 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online at coloradotrailers.com.